Welcome to Emerging Trends and Technologies in K-12 Virtual Education. My name is Melissa Lobel. I'm your facilitator for this course. This course is part of a 4-course series, as you know, that the University of California, Irvine is offering on virtual K-12 education. So whether you're taking that series and looking to complete that certificate, or if you're just interested in emerging trends and technologies in K-12 virtual education, I'm excited to have you with us in this journey. I wanted to start by just sharing a few things about the course and set some expectations for you and for myself so that we can have the best experience possible over the next 5 weeks. This is the second time I've taught this course. I'm implementing much from what I've learned the first time I taught this course into not only the design, but the topics that we'll be discussing. Each week we'll have videos, no more than probably 30 to 45 minutes in length, to watch so that you can learn about the particular topics we're discussing. There'll be a single quiz that you can take to test your learning, and there'll be 2 to 3 discussion prompts that I will initiate and moderate that will help you discuss the ideas and topics that we'll be discussing that week. From there, you'll also have one peer assessment activity. This activity is optional if you're not taking the course for certificate. However, if you are looking to take the course for certificate, you do need to complete this peer assessment and the assessment of your colleagues during that peer assessment activity in order to get that certificate. The peer assessment will give you a chance to apply the learning in the course that you are undergoing to your particular teaching practice. So hopefully it'll be a good experience for you to really try out some of the things that you're learning. Now, in addition to our weekly structure and content that you'll experience within Coursera, we'll also be using a number of social technologies. Twitter, Facebook, we'll probably use Pinterest to a certain degree, and we'll definitely use Flickr. So be prepared to join the community not only in Coursera and the discussions in Coursera, but in some of these other social technologies as well. I also plan on holding 2 live Google Hangouts where you can ask questions and you can talk synchronously with some of your fellow colleagues. And then in addition, I will have 3 live Twitter chats throughout the duration of the course where we can all come together for an hour and chat with one another in a synchronous fashion. We did both of these in the first iteration of the course, and the students in the course really enjoyed the opportunity to get together synchronously in addition to the asynchronous activities that are happening throughout the course. Now finally, I'd like to set a few ground rules for the interactions in the course. Because this is a rich community full of great ideas and suggestions, strategies, what to do, what not to do, I really encourage you to learn from one another. In fact, I believe that you'll learn more from one another than you probably will from me. And that's a good thing, because we're here together all with the same mission, to better virtual K-12 education and even just education in general. That said, I also hope that since you are interacting with such an engaging community, that you're respectful of that community. Of course, debate and discussion is important so that everybody's looking at all of the topics from various viewpoints, but being respectful in how you present that debate and discussion is important. I want this to be a safe place for all of us to learn together, not only during the course, but after the course. So I encourage you to promote that type of environment. And then finally, I really hope you have fun. This course isn't about a heavy workload or lots of information to memorize. It's more about exploring ideas and ways to help better education through using technologies and the emerging trends that we're seeing today. With that, it's time to get started. Jump right on into week 1, where we'll be talking about identifying, evaluating, and implementing technologies in your virtual K-12 classroom.